What's up guys, Gadgetorials here. So today we are going to unbox the Juarez Acoustics JZ900 Bluetooth earphones. So I got this for rupees 900 rupees on Amazon. The link will be in the description below. I'll be also posting the review soon. So to get notified, please hit the subscribe button. Please subscribe, it helps me a lot. So let's get started. So now we are going to take a quick look on the box. So on the front side, the product details are written like the product tagline, which is stereo Bluetooth music earphones. Nothing is worthy to living without music. On the next side, we have some details like the model number, the charging time. The battery is 110 mAh, so that's pretty impressive. So on the next side, we have some other details, which is the product tagline again and the product model number, that is JZ900 and BK. So next we have the MRP, which is actually 2,990 rupees, but we got it for rupees 900. So the deal is pretty impressive for this price range. And let's unbox this right now. So now the unboxing begins. The packaging is fairly basic right there. First in the box, we have the USB to micro USB cable, and the USB cable seems pretty good. Next we have some ear tips. They are of different sizes to fit your ear. So next we have the guide. And the last thing is the Bluetooth earphones itself. So let's keep the packaging aside and have a look on the earphones. Earphones are made out of rubber and metal, which make them look and feel very premium. In this price range, I highly recommend these earphones. The full review will be coming out soon on my channel. For that, please hit the subscribe button so you'll get notified when that video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.